The Ghana Revenue Authority, in widening the tax net, is to introduce rent tax before the end of the year. Commissioner General Reverend Amishadai Owusu-Amoah made this known at a forum in Accra.
The Commissioner General noted failure to pay tax on rent income by the due date will attract an interest of 125% on the statutory rent rate and compounded monthly. When fully implemented, the rent tax must be paid within 30 days of receipt of rent income by landlords or property owners. To effectively mobilize revenue from the rent tax, Reverend Amishadai Owusu-Amoah indicated that an app has been developed to aid the authority in the collection of the rent and other taxes.
One area that we are focusing on, and I know many of you will not be too happy with it, but for all of us are good, and that is on rent tax. Today, many of us have properties and we don't pay rent tax. We have introduced an app, and if we have started it in Accra, Kumasi, and Tema areas. If you mention your name to me today, I can go on the app and I'll type your name, and the app will take me right to your house. And therefore, we'll be able to now identify whether the house is owner-occupied or rented. And therefore, you will not be able to hide from paying your rent tax.
The GRA is also widening the tax net to cover e-commerce activities.
You are paying your PAYE, you are paying your corporate income tax, you are paying your VAT, but there are some areas like the e-commerce where we are all watching Netflix, we are doing which other ones, and those ones, they are not paying any tax. I want to assure you that we are working on it, and before the end of this year, all the e-commerce, the BETS 5, BETS 6, BETS 7, and BETS 10, they will all be able to contribute their quota for the tax.
The GRA is again embarking on aggressive tax education campaign to make compliance voluntary.